Hey guys, Legal Lockpicker here. Welcome to a very special episode. We are going to unbox for the very first time a Ratyoke specialty pick here right now. Before we get into that, just want to remind everybody, if you want to hang out, the giveaway stuff is at the end of the video, and we've got a lot of stuff going on and being given away on a bunch of different platforms. So if you're interested in that, hang out to the end. So here we go. You got that right. You can see by the stickers, Ratyoke, and I think I'm almost certain I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, but that's what we're going to go with for now. This is the envelope that it came with. It says Coca-Cola on the front, and I haven't actually seen the pick itself, and that's why I am so excited to do that with you guys today. The model number is 102. It was completed in July. The pick profile is a short hook. It's made in 301 stainless, and it's at 23 thousandths thickness. The handle material is Coca-Cola, and the pins were made in sterling silver. I really do like these, kind of like a certificate of authenticity type stuff, because I think it helps, especially if you're like me and you definitely want to get it framed. All right, so let's crack this bad boy open. Now, this has been a year in the making now. I contacted Ratyoke about a year ago to try to get one of his picks, but unfortunately he was on hiatus for that period of time. And once he got back into making picks, I searched him out and basically said, what can we do? I was like a used car salesman, so what can I do to get a pick in my hands today? And yeah, you can find him at ratyoke.com as well, so in case you're interested in purchasing one for yourself. Oh god, more wrapping. This is so exciting. I can't even tell you how excited I am to see this. Oh god. Come on, LLP. Let's get this freaking junk out of here. Alright. Okay, one more. Anybody else excited? Let me know in the comment section if by this point you're like, alright, come on, hurry up. Oh my god. What the hell? Look at this. Oh my goodness. I don't think any words are necessary. Oh my god. Whew. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh my god, this is 30 seconds of just awing. I have got, seriously, 100% serious, this is the first time I'm seeing it. It just fits perfectly. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I know I'm geeking out here hard, but it is just beautiful. Look at that. Look at that finish. Seriously, look at that finish. That's incredible. I've had a few custom made picks. I've had a few very interesting picks in my day, but I've just never held or seen anything quite like this before. Let me see if I can zoom in here for you guys, just so you know. Coca-Cola is a material that was used in New York City. What they would do is, that's how the police would communicate. They would take these big Coca-Cola sticks and then they would crack them against the ground when they needed backup. So the Coca-Cola would go tap, 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 and that way the police down the block would know, all right, let's run towards that, because the cop is smashing the Coca-Cola stick against the ground. That means he needs help. That is just incredible. Well done, mate. Well done. Look at those. They said they're sterling silver pins. That's just amazing. So you can actually use the pick either way. Look at that. Look at that finish. That's incredible. I'm out of words. I'm completely out of words here. I really hope you guys enjoy this, because I truly do. I truly do. I just can't... Man, I'm not even sure I can post this video up. I don't want people seeing me geek out this bad. Alright, it's about 6 1/4, something like that. Jeez. Wow. That's just incredible. I just wanted to sit here and check it out for a while, so you guys could see it's just flush with awesomeness. Wow, that's incredible. So I'm going to put all of his contact information in the description below, with how to get in touch with him and all that kind of stuff. I do know that he has another pick or two others that he might be looking in releasing. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you check out the description below. Don't forget, we also have, it's the end of the month, so today's your last day if you want to get involved in the Cobra Lockpick giveaway. Today's the very last day. Got to hit the comments, got to hit the share, and then I'm going to be picking somebody for that tomorrow, Saturday. Don't forget, we also have a Twitter campaign going on right now. It was 10 retweets for this beginning pick set, which I'll leave in the link. 100 retweets for this custom-made tool pick set, and we've already passed that. Now we're up to almost... We need 500 retweets of this of one of my posts. 500 retweets, and I'm going to give away a custom multi-pick lockpick set. So if you guys want to be a part of that, check out LeoLockpicker@twitter.com. And thank you guys for watching this. I really, truly hope you enjoyed this piece of artwork and just awesome pick design and make here. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.